I Nidhi Gupta. Today we will discuss the topic. My last class I have told you what are regular expressions. Suppose there is a language which is a language. Regular language we can draw a DFA is called regular language, and to represent the regular language we use regular expressions. Now, there are some useful operations for regular expressions, like there are some basic operations which are used in regular expressions, like union, concatenation and clean closure. We have studied all these things in my last lecture. Today we will discuss the more example of regular expression. Now, first example. Suppose we want to write a regular expression for a string which is having the length, exactly 2. String having length exactly 2. We have to write the regular expression for the string which is having the exact length of 2. Now consider that all the examples we are using here, the input symbol will be a comma b. For all the examples I am taking here, the input symbol will become a and b. All the strings which are made of a and b and having the length of exactly 2. In this case, for finite length of regular expression, what we do, we write all the possible strings in this way for finite set of strings. Now we can take a common, then it will write this, then we can take this, we can solve it like this. Now again take a plus b. Now we can see for having the length exactly 2, we have a plus b plus a plus b. In this, for this we can generate all the string which is having the length exactly 2. Suppose we want the length exactly 3. In that case, what will happen? In this way we can mention for the n length of string, for all the string which are involved in a plus b, we can write the notation a plus b star. A plus b star denotes all the strings made up of a comma b. All the strings which are made up of a comma b can we find out with the help of a plus b star. Star is the clean closure, it will also include the null. Then all the strings which involved will be a, b, ab, ba, bb, aa. Now, suppose next example is a string having the length at least 2. At least 2. At least 2, which means at least 2 elements will be there and more than that can be. Now we can write here. For 2 we have generated this. For 2 strings we have generated this. Now more than this we can write like this. This string will exactly have the 2 elements in it. At least 2. A string having the length at least 2 can be recognized by this expression. Now we want the length at most 2. At most 2. At most 2 means it is a finite statement. It will include null, comma a, comma b, ab, comma ba, comma bb, comma a. When we will solve this, we will find that this string will look like this. Then for the problem, a string having a length at most 2, the regular expression will be null plus a plus b, null plus a plus b in this way. It is very much clear that all the string having at most 2 can be generated like this. Now suppose we take an example, string having even length. String having even length. For having the even length, the requirement is having 2 elements in a string, 4, 6 and so on. For this, what can we do is, for 2 we have generated the even string like this, a plus b, a plus b. Now you have to do this for or more strings. Then what can you do? You can make a square here. Then what will happen? Like this, a plus b. Now I can write a plus b star, a plus b square star, but it will be wrong to write this like it. It is wrong. You cannot write it like this. You have to mention it like this. Now suppose you want a regular expression which will print all the strings which is having the length odd. For all the odd length string you want to make a regular expression. Then odd string will like this, a b, all the string which is having the length a odd, it will also include null, comma a, comma b, comma a, b, a, like this. In this way, it is clear that you have to mention all the strings which having the string length odd. For odd, we have a regular expression like this, and we can make a star here. Now, this string will generate all the odd strings which it will include. But we also need to add plus a plus b. Now, suppose we want to write a regular expression for all the languages which have the length which are divisible by 3 mod 2. If I write exactly divided by 3, I have to write the length of the string which is exactly divided by 3. Suppose now I am writing the string, regular expression for the string which is divided by 3. For this regular expression will like this. You have to take at least 3 string, then make a star here. Then what will happen? It will develop all the string which is having 3 and it will make the star, and it will convert only those which is having the 3. Then all the strings which will be generated by this regular expressions, all the strings which will be generated by this regular expression will be divided by 3. Now suppose you have to write a regular expression for the string which has the 3 mod 2. When we divide it by 3, it will save the remainder 2. 3 mod 3, 3 mod 2. Then for writing this regular expression, what we need to do is 3n plus 2. You can do right like this. When we will divide, 2 will be the remainder and it will definitely divide the whole 3. Now, this is about all these regular expressions which we have studied till now. All are dependent on the length of, we are talking only about the length of strings. Now, we can also talk about the number of A's, number of B's, etc. Suppose I have to write a regular expression for a string having exactly 2 A's. Exactly 2 A's. I have to write a regular expression for a string which is having exactly 2 A's, which means it will contain 2 A's. There is no restriction over B, whether B is here or not. Suppose I can write the values like this: A, B, A, B, B. All the strings which are having 2 A's will come under this condition, and we have no restriction over B. For this, what we need to do is B star, then B star, then B star. This is how we can make a constraint over the number of A's or number of B's. Till now, in previous example, we have made a restriction over the length of a string. We are checking the length of a string is even, or whether the length of a string is having equal number of A's or B's, like this. Now we are having the restriction over A and B. We are having the restriction over input symbols. Suppose we have to write the regular expression for a string having exactly 2 A's, then in this case we have to mention the 2A and B star, B star, B star. Now, suppose we have to write down a regular expression for the string having at most 2 A's. Now, at most means it can have 1, it can have 2, or it can have null. It can have null A, comma 1A or 2 A's. For this, how can we write the regular expression? For this, what we need to do is null B star A plus null. In this way, we can find out the string having at most 2 A's. Whether you want to have the A or whether you don't want to have the A, it is very much clear. Suppose you want the string having at least 2 A's. At least 2 A's, which means minimum 2 A's are required and number of B's can be more than 2. For minimum 2 A's, we need this. Then we can write here A plus B star and A plus B star and A plus B star. In this condition, at least 2 A's will be found anyhow. At least you will find these 2 A's if all the string values are null. It is very much clear that this regular expression will generate all the string which is having exactly 2 A's. Exactly at least 2 A's. More than 2 A's are allowed through these. In between, whether it comes A or B, it doesn't matter. Now, suppose we want to write down the regular expression having the number of A's equal to number of B's. Having number of regular expression for all the string which is having number of A's equal to number of B. Whether we can write a regular expression for this or not, we have to check. We cannot write the regular expression because A की power n, B की power n is not a regular language. Not a regular language. We can only write the regular expression for all the languages which we can write down all the regular expression for only the regular languages. We cannot write down the regular expression for this string having equal number of A's and B's. Now, we have talked about the number of A's, number of B's. Now we will consider the case when string starting with A and ending with regular expression for the string starting with A. What we need to do is, first of all, start the string with A and write anything else. In this case, it will generate all the strings which are starting with A. Now, suppose you have to do all the strings ending with A. What you need to do is, just remove this A from here, then add it there. Now, suppose you want to write a regular expression which is starting string starting with B. You simply has to write B here. If suppose you have to write ending with B, simply remove this B here. Put this B, remove from here and put there. In this way, you can write the regular expression. Suppose you have to write down the regular expression for a string starting and ending with same symbol. Starting and ending with same symbol. What do you have to write down? A plus B star plus B, A plus B star. Also mention the case that it will also include A, B and null. It will also mention A, B and null because A is also starting with A and ending with A, and B is also starting with A and ending with B. Now, suppose you have to write the regular expression for the string starting and ending with different symbols. Starting and ending with different symbols. What you need to do is starting with A and ending with B plus starting with B and ending in B, A. And in between you can write everything which you want to write in this way. Now the string will start with A and end with B, different symbol. It will start with different symbol and end with this symbol. In this way we can write various regular expression, but we need to consider this: we can only represent all the language which are regular. We can only represent the regular languages using the regular expressions. We cannot represent the language using regular expressions which are not regular. I have taken the example A ki power n, B ki power n, equal number of A's and equal number of B's can't be represented using regular expression because that is not a regular language. In our next class we will study about conversion of DFA into regular expression. How can we generate a regular expression from the DFA? Thank you. It's all about the examples of regular expression.